I'm Jennifer. Welcome to the Quick and Easy Meals weekly collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Anna from Simply Grace Lifestyle and Jean from Jean Home Decor and More, and of course me, Jennifer from Jennifer at Home. Tonight I'm trying out a super easy, super delicious brownie mix. This is a brownie mix with cookie dough on top. I've never tried this before, but a friend of mine told me it was so delicious. So today I'm going to put it together and we're going to see what we think about this delicious Betty Crocker brownie mix. The brownies have just come out of the oven. My whole entire house smells so good. These will be perfect to serve to my company tonight, along with some vanilla ice cream. I'm so happy you're here to join me in this collaboration. I hope you'll check out the other channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And let me know if you try this wonderful brownie mix and what you think of it. I'll see you next time.